He wants to put a pond in so he doesn't have to go on vacation. He can just fish up there. Their original pond that they had here was just right here at the very bottom.
They walk by and they go, we hear water, and if they see us working, come on down, come on down.
I actually had a heart attack, so I called Jody and said, I need relaxation and I want this.
This is beautiful. This is big. I thought you said it was just 11 by 16. That's a little intimidating. Is this a front yard waterfalls?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so we are with Kingdom Landscaping that you guys service the tri-state area, right?
Yes.
So Maryland,
Pennsylvania,
and
West
Virginia. And I can already hear the waterfalls. And I'm Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy. This is my channel, Greg Wittstock, the Pond Guy, and it's all about showcasing how people live the aquascape lifestyle. I hear you are the new Happy Pondless Water Feature owners.
We are. We love it.
Amen, sister. I'm the Pond Guy, Greg.
Hey, hi, Greg.
I'm Pond Guy Greg.
Yeah.
Sue and Lou. Okay,
We're
so
the envy of the neighborhood.
it's only been 2 weeks, right?
That's
Yeah, about that, yeah.
So people have come over here and been like, what the?
They walk by and they go, we hear water, and if they see us working, come on down, come on down.
And there's a perfect place to sit right here.
Right.
Because here's the view.
To our friends down
The slope was made for a waterfall.
Yeah, exactly.
How long had you been thinking about this idea with the waterfall?
We originally put in a water feature shortly after we moved in, and it was a small one. Liked it a lot. We enhanced it a little bit, and then we said, it's really not enough. Then we said, well, we got this great hill here. We started looking online, and we saw several different companies were offering water features, and we saw and said, wow, this looks like perfect to fit right into here. So contacted them, got the design, and we love it.
Are. Right away, no waiting. I love it.
And it looks so natural. That's the best part.
Amen. So you're happy with the final result?
Oh, yeah.
You know, his background's water. He's 43 years in the Coast Guard.
Oh, wow.
And he's like, I gotta hear water. So I say, pick what you want.
Yeah.
Up at the top there, you see where the waterfall begins at. That is actually the waterfall spillway.
Yep.
But it's disguised with that brand new faux log.
It's amazing because from here, the log looks just like the native ones that you pulled out of the ground.
And while we were building this feature, our homeowners here actually pointed out that stump you see there in the middle of the stream was actually in a flower bed off to the side there. And they pointed out, I was like, I was almost drooling. I was like, oh, this is perfect.
How to incorporate it. It's really art.
It is. It absolutely is. It's so amazing to me. Every time I look, it says, oh, it's like we're out in a regular stream.
Right. Well, it fits in really beautiful. It's a beautiful home.
And also you see all this moss. We actually found this local on the mountain that actually where our shop's at. And we went out and gathered all the moss and we just kind of, you know, placed it here and about and whatever. It kind of breaks up a little bit of all the rocks, softens the edges, makes it look even more natural. Something that we like to always add in.
So you got your pump bulked up down here. What size pump do you have?
It is the new adjustable pump, 5,000 to 9,000 gallon an hour.
And then I'm assuming you got some lights going up here.
There are lights highlighting on the spillways. You have one here starting at the bottom, spotlighting on that. And then each spillway.
Do you love it at night?
Beautiful. It's amazing how great it looks at nighttime.
So what would an investment like this be from your crew?
Basically, as far as time frame, it took us 2.5 days.
But, yeah, pretty impressive. 2.5 days to have this. That will. These guys work hard, don't they?
They were moving.
So originally, their original pond that they had here was just right here at the very bottom.
So you came in and pulled that out?
Yes, and also this bank was totally covered with ground cover. So now even the homeowners, we actually carved out this, but then Sue has even taken more ground cover back away and done more landscaping. So that's fabulous.
Well, what's amazing is it looks good right now. Just wait till those sedums start filling in and the grasses and everything else.
See what that ground cover right there is essentially what was all throughout
it was
here.
like a jungle.
So there's the aquascape artificial log. Blends in pretty good with the natural log. And that moss, if the moss is there, it will just stay wet and it will just continue to spread up the rocks. So many times people have an existing water feature that may be high maintenance. It wasn't built the aquascape ecosystem way. A pondless waterfall is virtually no maintenance. Even if it's a second home, people turn it on, turn it off, put it on a timer. And the whole goal is it's beautiful, low maintenance, and enjoyable. That's what the Certified Aquascape Contractor Program is all about. So apparently I'm getting taken to the most famous ice cream place in Mennonite territory, Nutter's Ice Cream. And they have real small portions, right?
Yes, very small.
All right, Tabitha, we're only doing this for you. I'm just gonna eat ice cream for the vlog. Really don't want any.
Oh yeah, right.
Nutter's Ice Cream. 1886. Wait, what did you want?
He wants to put bass in there.
And you want koi. I agree with you. What's that?
So we have a big chunk of land.
Oh, this goes all the way up there.
Yeah, he wants to put a pond in so he doesn't have to go on vacation. He can just fish up there.
You're my kind of guy. This is beautiful. This is big. I thought you said it was just 11 by 16.
This is 11 by 16, but then this pond actually, what Kim did was she upgraded. Well, basically to start the story, when we first came in here and met Kim and Aaron, Kim needed something because she was stressed out and she wanted a place she could relax.
Well, she's married to Aaron.
Yeah.
Well, that and I own a child care center of 86 kids.
Okay, I get it.
I actually had a heart attack, so I called
Aw.
Jody and said, I need relaxation and I want this. And so I told her my thoughts and everything, and she came back with a couple drawings. I'm like, yes! So this is what we came up with.
So basically this entire area was totally overgrown with weeds. We came in and obviously got all that cleaned up, totally transformed the place. Her budget was around $5,000.
This is not a $5,000 water feature.
It was $5,000.
As we got to talking, Kim laid out her dream. I said, tell me your dream backyard.
Amen.
So I was able to go back. I designed her dream. It was not within her budget at the time that she had given me, but this is all about living the lifestyle and all about the dream. We're just really blessed that she gave us the opportunity to put this together. One thing that's really interesting with this one is she upgraded to a wetland filter instead of a biofilter.
Yeah, more filtration, more capacity.
Yes,
Mhm.
because she wanted
And the water's crystal clear.
Yes, absolutely.
And the
It's
maintenance is lower.
maintenance.
Yeah, I need no maintenance. I do not need more on my work day.
And how has it been?
Great. I come home from work, park in the truck, and walk right back here. And this is where I sit, either there, or here.
I could see sitting right over there. So you come home all day long dealing with kids, and this is your
12
stress
hours.
relief.
Yep, 12 hours, 5 days a week.
Wow. So this has been a good investment.
Oh my gosh, yes. Took us a while to pay it off.
Not bad, under 3 years.
Nice. You got a fire pit out here. The aquascape lifestyle is not just the water feature, it's how you use the rest of the space.
We bring the kids up here on field trips too.
From your daycare?
From the daycare, and they try and catch the tadpoles.
Kids
and-
love water features.
Oh, yeah.
Initial pond is an 11 by 16, and then there is a stream that goes on up through here. This is a koi pond. She has koi. As you'll notice, you'll see right here is a nice land bridge with a rock that she can go across very easily. And now this area here, the one request she had is Kim wanted an area where she could just sit in here and wade. And so you can see nice wading pond. Right here is the rock that she can sit on, put her legs in. But if she wanted to, she could even just immerse herself in this wading area. You notice how nice this water quality is? That's because there is a wetland filtration system on this pond. So the wetland is used instead of a biofall filter, and it provides a lot less maintenance. The landscaping that's on the outside edges, if you see behind the pergola, the area is meant to grow up and help to block out some of the road noise. There is a highway right behind here. The biggest challenge here for our team, Kingdom Landscaping, when we did this project was 3 years ago. We had a summer during July where it just rained. This was a mud pit, this whole area. Out of 3 weeks to finish this project, 21 working days, we actually only worked 10 days because there was so much rain and so much mud. Our equipment actually got stuck in here and we couldn't get it out of the gate up there. And every time we would come back here, we would have to pump out the hole, and we had tarps, and we just did everything we could to try to keep it dry so that we could work. And oftentimes we did end up working while it was raining.
So I want to see this. You got a Polaris RS1? How long have you had it?
3 weeks.
Whoa! So this is your toy. This is your toy, huh, Pops?
This is not a man's sport.
Okay. Nice. I love the colors. Wow, so this is a single. Yes. Woo! 1000 cc.
All right, there you go.
Okay, let's see.
And we'll see if he can get the door open.
No, I've never been in a single.
It's
I
awesome.
got a Polaris Ranger.
Check this
Wow.
out.
You got a spare tire on
Here.
this thing? All right, open the garage door. I'll see you guys tomorrow. You like your toys?
Yeah.
Me too. I like that. You only live once. You know what? If you guys like this stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to start living the aquascape lifestyle yourself, please check out the link below to find a certified aquascape contractor just like Kingdom Landscapes in your area. And if you really love how these things are built, check out Team Aquascape and you can see how these things are built. I love my job. That's a little intimidating.